We got another knife here from Kizer, y'all, and let's check this thing out. This is the Pioneer Kizer X Series. It is a 3.2-inch blade knife, Nitro V blade with aluminum and micarta handles with a liner lock. So let's take a look at this thing here. I'm not really familiar with the X Series, so I'm very intrigued to see what is inside. We got some hardware here, and inside it actually has a nylon cover over it. Okay, seems a little bit more premiere for me. Okay, take a look at that. Now, this is different from what I have unboxed from Kizer before. This is only right hand. Okay, bummer. That's my feedback there. I wish this was ambidextrous. Blade is centered. Let's take a look at how this deploys. Okay, very nice. Look at that blade right there. Really like how it kind of gives me a little bit of a poon. This right here is a bolster lock, liner lock, bolster lock. It flicks open really nice. You got some holes there on the handle where the scales would be. Nice little addition there on the micarta. It feels great in hand. I like how that adds a thumb ramp there, and it does have jimping on it, which is pretty aggressive. So I can flip this open with my left hand, no problem. You got small Kizer logos right there. Right hand Spidey, yep, no problem as well. This is nice. I have never seen this before, and I can't wait to put this through the paces. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Peace out.